Knowing your progress, otherwise known as feedback. Where do you get feedback and how do you know how well you're doing? Well, the quizzes will give you some feedback on how well you're doing, and because they happen each week, you get some idea of whether you're getting on top of the subject or are hopelessly lost. The review and critique ratings and comments are normally distributed the day after the class. I had enough experience now with that, where it's just simply one of those things I do the morning after the class is held, and it usually takes me about 2 hours to get them out. So the short answer is you'll have your marks pretty quickly back from that. The marks, comments and feedback for the major assignment, that'll get distributed usually within a week of the assignment being handed in. Now, because the major assignment is handed in at the last week, the marks and comments probably aren't going to be that useful, other than if you're going to use that for your future career to see how well you did. But nevertheless, I get it marked and get it back out to you. Feedback for the major assignment presentation, like all the other presentations, that comes back to you immediately after the presentation is held, so it comes back the next day. Now, beyond that, you will get feedback simply from class discussions. You get a pretty reasonable idea of how well you're doing, and if this is just not working well for you. Now, importantly, we try to get as much feedback and give you as much idea of the subject in the first few weeks before census day, so that if you find that, gee, this isn't what I thought it was going to be and I don't actually want to take this subject, you get to find that out before you're committed to paying for the subject.